I am Dr. Ravindran. I am working as a Director, Sales and Marketing of Suguna Poultry Farm Limited. And Suguna Poultry Farm is the largest and pioneer in broiler integration in India. The concept of integration was introduced by Suguna, and that is the success story of Suguna. Suguna is now one of the largest company in India and world's 10th largest company in poultry farming. So we have a lot of infrastructure to produce more chicken. Almost we have a best hatchery which have a setting of 691 million eggs in a year. We have Asia's biggest feed mill plant in Bangalore. And we have environmentally closed sets to protect the environment to avoid pollution. We produce best chicks. We have a collaboration with a company called AV Agent, and we are producing Ross chicks, broilers. The concept of integration was introduced by Suguna because once the farmers start producing broiler feed themselves, according to the market price, the price is fluctuating. Sometimes the farmer loses money. But now what happens is Suguna is taking responsibility of the income for the farmers. We pay growing charges to the farmer. We give the chicks, we give medicine, we give feed, and we will give health services also to the farmer. So the farmer is benefited by this model. And slowly Suguna is also diversifying into other fields. Recently Suguna has introduced layer breed also in collaboration with a German company called Lohmann. So Suguna Lohmann layer is doing now extremely well. And Suguna has also introduced value addition to their products and introduced value added eggs. Suguna has got various varieties of value-added eggs like Suguna Pro and Suguna Nutri, which contains more protein and more vitamins. It's very nutritious than the other table eggs available in the market. Suguna has also introduced a egg called Suguna Active, which is rich in selenium and DHA, which is good for children, pregnant women and aged people. It helps in anti-aging as well as it improves the memory power of children. So school going children, it's a very effective egg.